was born at, they said 10 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
Others.
Still just laying down.
Yeah.
But the other one started walking over towards the one at the tree and then stopped.
Mm-hmm.
Is there still one in between these first two trees? Or is it gone now?
The one that was over there moved right there, and then there's one like way far behind the one that's eating the leaves. Look at his little ears.
It's so cute.
He's like, Dad, have you broken that branch yet? For me, please? I love you, Dad. It's so loud.
Someday I'm going to be able to reach up there, Dad.
He's looking up like, can I help?
Where's the baby going? To the other giraffe?
Yeah, probably.